Hey, my friend. Still wondering what to make for dinner tonight? Don't worry, I got you. Give me a few minutes, and these crispy salt and pepper ribs might just be the answer. As usual, let's head to the supermarket or market to pick up some ribs. When selecting pork ribs, we should choose those with evenly distributed meat. After purchasing the pork ribs, we cut them into evenly sized pieces. Place the cut ribs in a bowl. Next, rinse the ribs to remove any impurities and blood. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of flour, and an appropriate amount of water. Then scrub the ribs with your hands. Why add flour here? Because flour has strong absorbency, enabling it to better remove impurities from the ribs. After kneading for a few minutes, pour in clean water to rinse. Next, we continue to wash by hand using a grabbing and mixing motion until the water becomes clear. Here's a friendly reminder. If you'd rather not touch the ingredients directly with your hands, you can wear gloves. After washing the pork ribs, let's prepare some ingredients. They are ginger and scallion segments. Then add the chopped ginger and scallion segments to the bowl containing the pork ribs. Add an appropriate amount of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. You may also add an appropriate amount of ground black pepper and salt. After adding the seasonings, we continue repeating the previous steps to allow the ribs to fully absorb the flavor of the marinade. Finally, add 2 small spoons of cornstarch. Continue tossing to ensure the starch evenly coats the surface of the ingredients. Next, prepare some other ingredients. They are garlic, green chili peppers, and red chili peppers. Then we need to cut them into small pieces for later use. When preparing green and red peppers, we remove the seeds and membranes inside. After preparing the previous ingredients, chop some scallions to enhance the dish's aroma. Next, remove the marinade ingredients. Next, we wait until the hot oil in the pot begins to bubble slightly before adding the ingredients to fry and simmer. Be careful not to let the oil temperature get too high, as this can cause the ingredients to become bitter. When the ingredients turn slightly golden brown on the surface, gently stir them with chopsticks. Then continue simmering over low heat for 1 or 2 minutes. Once cooked, remove the ingredients from the pot. Finally, we add the prepared ingredients such as green and red peppers to the wok and stir-fry them to bring out their aroma. Then add the fried ingredients to the pot as well, then sprinkle with pepper salt. Finally, stir-fry over high heat to ensure the pepper salt coating thoroughly adheres to the surface of the ingredients. Then you'll get a delicious plate of salt and pepper spare ribs. Trust me, it'll open up a whole new world for your taste buds.